Is this Wonder or Misty?
Wonder.
Can I pet it?
Hey, the floor's lava. 1, 2,
I have a key
3,
in here.
4, 5. Okay, you're safe, guys. Come on, let's do something.
Okay, can I touch it? No, I don't want That was easy to get him out. Let's go jump on a tramp.
No,
What do you want to do?
I don't know.
We can get in the hot tub.
Yeah, but it isn't working.
It's not.
Mm-mm.
Does it even have water in it?
No, that's why I say it's not working.
These are spiders.
Yeah, it's really dirty.
Look. Cockroach. Ew.
Let's go. Okay, what are we gonna do? We should do something, because I'm putting this on YouTube, and we should do something. Come on. Please.
Should we show them all your animals or something?
Sure, let's show them the pet zoo. Okay, so this is one kitten, and then there's another, and we have a third. I don't know where it went.
She went over here. I think she ran over here. Wait, Wonder? I don't know, the girls look the same.
Is she back there? No. Gosh dang it, where is that cat? They poop all over. I've stepped in their poop so many times.
Here's my cat. We're behind this.
Yeah, which one?
I don't know. It was a girl. Found it.
Oh.
It's right there.
That's
Black.
We've already seen him.
Oh.
Okay, anywho, we're gonna go to the... Oh, hey, by the way, we got a baby goat.
You did?
Yeah. Thursday, she was born Thursday.
Where?
No,
Go in?
no, we're not going in. Okay, so these are all our goats. We have like 8 of them.
Is that the baby goat?
Now,
Where is it?
it'll come. Okay, so here it goes.
Where is it though?
Probably over in the tires. So I don't know where our baby goat is. Anywho, moving on to the rabbits. We have another cat, but he has pink eye. So it's playing in the tires. It won't come out.
What?
It's playing in the tires. It won't come out.
Can we still come with it?
Huh? It won't come out, so we won't be able to see
Where
it.
are the tires?
Back in the back. Okay, so these are our rabbits. Here is Grey-Roo. Come here, buddy. Hi. Hi, bud. You still have butter? There you go. Okay, this is Laylee.
Whoa,
And that's Charlie. They are really cute and pretty. Now this is our go-kart, and that's my...
It doesn't even work though.
Yes, it does.
It does?
Yeah, but its tires are flat and everything. Okay, so here are our doggies. This is Miley. Roxy, where are you, bud? And then this is Roxy right here. This one.
Hi.
This one's Roxy.
Oh,
And then this,
I get
the
so
lighter one
confused.
is Miley, wherever she went.
she's right there.
Yeah, I know, but I'm looking for the kitten. Anywho, moving on, we have chickens. So we have chickens. Here are our chickies.
Then what about the llamas?
They're not llamas. Okay, so those are alpacas. We can't really get over there. So, where are you? There's Spit, the white one. And if you can see the brown one, his name is Kick. Anywho.
Oh, I forgot.
I feel like that's all. Oh, we do have fish.
Oh, yeah.
Kylie, should we show them our fish?
Well, your fish. Not ours.
It's,
Ew.
it's not poop.
Oh, that is cool.
It's just mud. contour.
This is Millie.
Missy.
Because there's an M.
Missy.
Can I
And
hold
that's
her?
not Missy.
No, it's not?
It's Wonder
Can I
Woman.
hold her? Wonder? You can
So
hold
this is
Wonder.
Wonder Woman. She is for sale still. Still haven't. She is free. And then there's Missy, wherever.
Hi, Millie. Hi, Missy.
Missy. Here's Missy.
Hi.
And then I don't know where Panther is. Anywho, come on, let's go show the fish.
Under
Yeah, he's under there, but let's go show them the fish. You gotta let go of them. Put them down.
But why?
Because we gotta show them our kitty.
They're so cute.
Fish.
Then I can come back. Yeah.
Okay, so this is our aquarium. It was donated to us from the hospital.
Where we live, which you can't see anymore because we ripped it off. Well, we didn't rip it off, but we took it off, which is good because we don't want you to know where we live. Hey guys, check out my channel. I did Carly G.
We'll shout out. We'll shout it out. And then so we have a bunch of corals, and it's just really fun.
Fish in there.
So those are all our animals. So that's going to be the end of it. Anywho, huge shout out to Carly G. Go check out her channel. She is very fun and cool. And then we're also...
I cringe watching my videos. I got...
And then also a huge shout out to the G Squad, right?
Yes.
Yeah, she's very fun too. They are sisters. And yeah, so see you later. Subscribe and share, like if you liked all our animals. I don't know.